great to be in Paris. What a beautiful city. It's such a well-run event. Well, as Loic said, I'm Marcus from Ninja Blocks. And since January 3rd this year, we've been on a mission. That mission has to bring the Internet of Things to the rest of us. What does it even mean? It means we're making it insanely easy to connect sensors, things that sense the world, and actuators, things that affect the world, to the web. Because regardless whether you're the smartest IT engineer who wants to be able to remotely monitor the temperature of a data center, or the guy next door wanting to be able to remotely monitor and control the temperature of his newborn's nursery, connecting sensors and actuators to the web is hard. It sucks. You need to know complicated electronics, programming, and networking just to get your device online. And once you do finally get your device online, you need to know even more complicated programming just so you can do something useful with it. It's needlessly hard, and that's why this year we built two revolutionary products. The first is the Ninja Block. It's a tiny, powerful computer that can sense and affect its environment. The second is an amazing web app we call Ninja Cloud that connects your Ninja Blocks and your other connected devices up to your favorite web apps. Together, Ninja Blocks and Ninja Cloud remove the impediments of needing to know electronics and programming, saving engineers time, and allowing mere mortals like me to create connected systems. So let's have a look at our new Ninja Block. This is our new second-generation Ninja Block. This is here. Look how beautiful she is. We call her Nina. Look at her curves. Ooh la la. I speak French. A little bit. So as I said before, the Ninja Block makes connecting sensors to the web a snap. You literally just plug them in, and they instantly appear with their live sensor readings on Ninja Cloud, just like that. Come on, guys. Plugging stuff in. It's not 1990s anymore. And that's why with the new Ninja Block, we now support wireless sensors like this wireless temperature and humidity sensor, this wireless motion sensor, even a contact sensor for your doors or windows so you can tell when they've been opened or closed, and even a doorbell. It's always good to know when somebody's at the front door. Like their wired counterparts, you simply turn them on, and they instantly appear on your Ninja Cloud dashboard with their live sensor readings, just like that. Of course, controlling a Ninja Block is just as simple. We've got these easy-to-grasp if this and that style rules. For example, if the temperature in my son's room drops below 17 degrees, then turn on the heater. Fair enough. And of course, we've got many other sensors and actuators and third-party web services that we can connect to with this rules engine. So what about a rule that uses our Ninja Block and a rules engine to speak to these third-party web apps? Well, I've got one of those. And I also have 3 chickens. Trust me, it's related. I have Princess Leia, Hen Solo, and Chuck Norris. And just a few weeks ago, I was looking down at the chicken coop, and I noticed there was a 4th bird in there. This freaking hawk eagle thing trying to eat my chickens. I'm kind of getting worried. So much so that I've been putting these motion sensors around our chicken coop, like this one here, so I can be notified whenever a predator is on the prowl. So why don't we create a rule now that warns me whenever motion is detected out there? Well, we just go to our Ninja Cloud and go to our rules engine and say, when motion is detected, then, well, let's take a photo for starters. It's a good start. Let's post a message up onto Facebook, because my whole family's on there. And we'll put a message up like, hey, motion detected outside the chicken coop. And for good measure, let's take that photo that we've just taken and put it into Dropbox. We'll name and save our rule now, and that puts our rule into production. And that's it. We've created a connected system without needing to know any electronics, any programming, any networking, just like that. Did I mention this is a real rule? Oh yeah. On October 1st this year, motion was detected outside my chicken coop. And this message was posted up onto Facebook. I don't know why my friends are liking this. Jeez. Keep them away from my chickens. An image or a photo was taken and saved to my Dropbox. And this is it here. You can see the chicken coop on the left-hand side. But can you spot the fox? Let's zoom in a bit. You little bastard. So that's Ninja Blocks and the Ninja Rules Engine, removing the impediments of needing to know electronics, programming, and networking, and saving my chickens. And of course, we've got our new Ninja kit available today, and it comes with a wireless temperature and humidity sensor, a motion sensor, a context sensor, even a doorbell, and inside our Ninja Blocks, which, can I have this back? Is an Arduino and a tiny Linux computer running Ubuntu. So we're selling it today for a groundbreaking price of only $199, and you can get it on ninjablocks.com. Thanks. I'm afraid I now need to make a bit of an admission. You know, the Ninja Block and the Rules Engine, they're really a bit of a decoy. They weren't the only things we've been working on this year. And I guess that's why we're so happy to make the Ninja Block open. And I don't mean open in the sense of, oh, we're using open standards and therefore we're open. No. The Ninja Block is open hardware. The electronics is open source. The software that runs on the electronics is open source. And even the beautiful, sexy enclosure is open source. You can go to GitHub today and download and fork it right now. Sounds a bit rude. So what are we actually working on? Well, we think there's something special happening, and we're seeing this convergence between app delivery platforms and connected devices, and we're trying to be in the center of that. And we're calling this the API for the API for Atoms. It is the open platform for the Internet of Things. For app developers, it provides them with a nice, simple, normalized RESTful API, which allows them to build apps for the Internet of Things using the programming languages they know and love, as well as their favorite IDEs. We also have this amazing new technology called TRM, which stands for Things Relational Mapping, and that normalizes our API. So an example of this is, there's all these new light bulbs or connected light bulbs that are coming online. And as a developer, I don't want to know or need to have to know whether a light bulb like the LifeX light bulb is connecting via XB or another light like the Moore's lamp is connecting via HTTP. I just want an API that I can hit up. And that's what the API for Atoms does. And that API is live today. It's not some vaporware that we're promising in the future. In fact, our Ninja Rules Engine runs on this very API. We're eating our own dog food. We're also now releasing with the new Ninja Block a series of apps for the Internet of Things, like this Power Scheduler app, the Security app, and even a Thermostat app. Sorry, Tony. And all these apps are being open source to give our developers a real leg up. We're not leaving hardware developers out in the cold either. We've ported our Ninja Block logic, so the very same logic that runs on the Ninja Block, now over to Raspberry Pi and even Arduino. And what's more, you don't need some special shield to put onto your Arduino to use it. It works with any Arduino. And what about for the rest of us who aren't developers? Well, we're providing us now a way to allow third-party developers to build apps against our connected devices, and a way for us to authenticate and allow these users to actually use them, just like we would on Facebook or Twitter. It's a tremendously exciting time right now. We've seen what happened with 1 billion smartphones, with things like the Play Store and the App Store. There's about to be 100 billion connected devices within the next 5 years, and these connected devices need apps. So if you want to be part of the next big thing, which is the Internet of Things for the rest of us, get your Ninja Block today for $199 from ninjablocks.com. There is one more thing. I come from Australia, and don't you just hate it when you see something cool in the US and they offer free shipping, but not to Australia? Well, we're offering free shipping worldwide for the new Ninja Block kit. So guys, get started today. Visit ninjablocks.com now to get started. Thank you.